morning. Another day, another campsite. This one, not so big, not that very luxurious campsite, but it's nice, really close to Sydney. It's our last day before we head into the big city. Time for a run, and today I'm gonna run down by the beach, and I think it's gonna be pretty epic. The annoying thing about running in the city is that you first have to get out of all the stop lights and intersections before you can actually run properly. I think my goal is up there, but I'm not 100%. Just hit 7.5, turned around. Now I got the wind in my back all the way home. That's gonna be sweet. Oh, such a powerful wind too. Oh, this is nice.